today is about BI strategy, business strategy and management, a guide to data driving and success. And developing a BI strategy, analyze, aligning with, with business objective, majority models and roadmap and stakeholder management. And first, your BI strategy must be closely tied to your company and overreaching goals, identify key, key performance indicators in key BI and area where BI can drive impact. Majority models and roadmap and use BI majority models to access your current state and develop a roadmap for gradual improvement. This will ensure a sustainable and impact BI journey. And stakeholder management, identify key stakeholder across department and manage their expectations. Clear communication and involvement area are floreal crucial for access. And BI management, project management best practice and and follow industry for project planning, executions, and monitoring. This include clear requirements will identify timeline and effective communications and angle and traditional methodologies and choose preparations appropriate methodology based on your project complexity and team preference angle offer flexibility where traditional provides structures. Change management and user adaptations address user concern, provide comprehensive training and comparison and benefits of BI adoptions early when ongoing support are key. Evaluation and improving BI system performance measuring track key metrics such as data quality, system of uptime, and user engagement. This will help you understand and the effectiveness of your BI investment. And BI ROI or calculate the return investment ROI of your BI in, initiative by qualifying the benefits and costs. This demonstrate the value of BI stakeholders. Next, continuous improvement regarding access and improve your BI process and incorporate feedback for user and adaptations. Adapt your approach based on charging business need. BI and the futures. Emerging technologies. Stay informed about emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and cloud computing. These technologies and can enha- enhance your BI capabilities. Data governance, establish strong data governance policies to ensure data quality, secure, and compliance. This is crucial for building and trust in your BI site. Data demonstration declarations promote data literacy and empower user across the organization to access and analysis data. This will foster a data drive culture. Uh, Benefits of BI: uh, improve decision making. BI provides data that insight to support better decision making. This lead to more informed and strategic choice. Increase efficiency. BI streamline process and optimize workflow. Lead increase efficiency and productivity. Enhance customer experience. BI help business understand customer needs and preparation preference, and leading improve customer satisfactions and competitive advantage. BI and leveraging data and business can gain competitive advantage in market. Business growth and faster growth by identifying new opportunities, optimizing operation and driving innovations. Next, key takeaway: strategic alignment, align your BI strategy with your business goal to maximize impact. Effective project management: adopt best practice for BI management and choose the right methodology. Choose continue improvement, regularly evaluate, improve your BI system, ensure ongoing success. The four brands: emerging technology, stay firm about new technology to enhance your BI capabilities. Next step one: assessment, strategy, development, implementations, and monitoring and evaluations. Okay, assessment: conduct thorough assessment of your BI capabilities. Step two: strategy development, develop a comprehensive BI strategy aligned with your business objective. Number three: implementations, begin implementing your BI strategy with well-defined project. And monitoring and evaluations. Regularly monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of your BI and intimate in agent in and that's all. Thank you. The topic is about BI strategy management, a guide to data drive the success. How to be success strategy for the management. Okay, that's all. Thank you, sir.